If you want to turn your Android phone into a compass, so here's how to install Calibrate and here are some tips for accurate direction, and watch it till the end because I'll give you some bonus tips on using your compass. So first of all, we need to get an application. You can get any compass application which you find in your Play Store. Let's open up Play Store. Now press search at the bottom and press on your search bar. Now Google for digital compass and choose any kind of application. I've chosen this one, so press install. After it's got installed, open it up. There we are. So here we can see the strength level. We can choose whether we want magnetic heading or true heading, and we can also calibrate our compass if we want to, so we are to press on the settings icon and recalibrate it. Easy as that. So here are some tips for using your compass. First of all, make sure to hold your phone horizontally because it works better like this. Avoid using it near metallic objects and near magnets because they mess with polarities and our compass won't work correctly if the polarities are messed up, right? So some of the applications may ask you to calibrate it. So do that if your application asks you to do that. Usually it's easy rotating and tilting your phone in different directions, so follow the on-screen instructions. And basically that's it. So here's a bonus tip. If your comp has shown and obviously wrong information, you can reboot your phone, make sure that you're staying far from metallic objects and far from magnets. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.